Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and in this video I'm going to discuss about some good updates coming from Cognizant. So if you are following our channel from past few months, we have been covering the Cognizant on-campus hiring that they have released for 2024 batch. It started few months ago and it have been going on, and many people were waiting for results from this company. So they already received LOI for many students, but they did not receive offer letters, they did not receive any joining updates or anything. So they had LOI only. So I mentioned to that guys earlier also in my any doubt clearing session video that LOI is the thing that Cognizant gives you as your selection. So if you receive the LOI or letter of intent, that means you are selected. But when is offer letter going to come? That was the query that everyone was asking. So finally we have some good news about that we're going to share in this video. So let's start, but before moving on, if you are new to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding and interview updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So earlier in the doubt clearing video I have also said that whenever is your onboarding plan, prior to that they will just send you the offer letter. Okay, when your onboarding is going to nearing, only before that they are going to send you the offer letter, and they are going to send you the CSD offer letter first. Okay, this is not going to be a full-time offer letter, because you are going to get onboarded as CSD first. So if you are getting a CSD offer letter, after that you are going to get through the CSD training. If you clear the training, again within few months you are going to receive your full-time offer letter, and you are going for the full-time employment onboarding or joining. So this was the steps that you are going to follow, I have mentioned. So finally some people started to receive these offer letters, and mostly Java people were receiving this offer letter. But now we got to hear that both the clusters, that Java cluster and Python cluster, both people are started to getting these offer letters. So Cognizant is sending these offer letters for both of the clusters. They have already hired and they have already given LY earlier. So finally they are sending offer letters. That means there is going to be onboarding in the near future for both of these cluster students. So when can you expect this onboarding dates and everything? We're going to discuss about this in a separate video. If you don't want to miss that out, make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing.